Fertilizing your plants can be an important step in keeping them healthy and ensuring quality growth. When choosing a fertilizer, it's important to consider the specific needs of your plants. All-purpose fertilizers are a good option for most gardens as it contains a balanced blend of nutrients. Nitrogen-based fertilizers, such as fish fertilizers, are great for encouraging leafy growth in plants. They help to improve color and stem strength, forming an essential part of the plant's usual diet. On the other hand, phosphorus-based fertilizers are beneficial for encouraging root growth and flowering. They help to create strong, healthy flowers and abundantly blooming plants. Ultimately, making sure your plants get the right fertilizer blend is essential for proper growth and development. There are a variety of different options available, so be sure to check in our app under the plant details page to see what types of fertilizers are recommended for your plants.